In this lesson, you will learn about electronics recycling. The use of electronic products has grown substantially over the past 2 decades, changing the way and the speed in which we communicate and how we get information and entertainment. Our growing reliance on electronics is illustrated by some remarkable figures. According to the Consumer Electronics Association, Americans own approximately 24 electronic products per household. EPA is working to educate consumers and others on why it is important to reuse and recycle electronics and what the options are for safe reuse and recycling of these products. State and local governments, manufacturers, and retailers who are already aware of the pressing need to better manage these materials are providing more opportunities to recycle and reuse this equipment. Many computer manufacturers, TV manufacturers, and electronics retailers offer some kind of take-back program or sponsor recycling events. Many states have passed some sort of legislation to manage end-of-life electronics, and more are expected to follow suit.
TV Recycling Challenge. In January 2009, EPA's Plug Into E-Cycling program challenged electronics retailers and television manufacturers to increase the collection and responsible recycling of used TVs as consumers replaced boxy analog TVs with digital flat screens. The goal of the challenge was to stimulate innovation and partnerships to increase TV recycling in 2009 and beyond. Who stepped up to the challenge? Several leading TV manufacturers, including Samsung, Sony, Panasonic, Sharp, and Toshiba, accepted the challenge, expanded recycling opportunities, and as a result collected approximately 8.2 million pounds of TVs from January through August.
Recycle your cell phone. It's an easy call. Did you just get a new cell phone? Are you wondering what to do with the old one? Rather than add it to your growing collection of unwanted mobile phones, recycle it. In 2007, approximately 14 million Americans recycled their used cell phones. Today, donating or recycling cell phones, PDAs, chargers, and batteries has never been easier. Donating your working cell phone or PDA can benefit your community. When cell phones and accessories are in good working order, some programs donate them to worthy charities or sell them at a discount to those in need. Recycling cell phones helps the environment by saving energy and keeping usable materials out of landfills. Cell phones and PDAs are made of precious metals, copper, and plastics, of all which require energy to mine and manufacture. Recycling cell phones helps the environment by saving energy and keeping usable materials out of landfills. Cell phones and PDAs are made of precious metals, copper, and plastics. Recycling cell phones helps the environment by saving energy and keeping usable materials out of landfills. Cell phones and PDAs are made of precious metals, copper, and plastics, of all which require energy to mine and manufacture. Recycling conserves these materials so they can be turned into new products. Did you know recycling 1 million cell phones saves enough energy to power more than 185 households with electricity for 1 year?
Green Initiative Electronics. Why electronics? The EPA has been actively helping to improve the design and recovery of electronics for more than a decade. Our interest in electronics stems from 4 primary concerns. 1. Rapid growth and change in this product sector, leading to a constant stream of new product offerings and a wide array of obsolete products needing appropriate management. 2. Energy consumption by these products. The Energy Information Agency's annual Energy Outlook of 2006 projected that electronics will account for 19% of residential energy use by 2020, compared with 14% of home energy consumption in 2006. 3. Presence of toxic substances in many products which can cause problematic exposures during manufacturing, recycling, or disposal if not properly managed. The presence of these constituents has sparked the search for workable substitutes and the development of better management practices. And 4. The need to ensure widespread, convenient, and affordable reuse and recycling infrastructure for electronics, with initial emphasis on TVs, PCs, and cell phones, and in doing so to conserve and recover the large amount of embodied energy and valuable materials inherent in used electronics. To find more information about how to recycle and reuse your electronics, go to www.epa.gov.
This has been Earthsaver Fritz
and Earthsaver Bethany with
the
the
Earth Savers
Institute.